because I have a rare eye disease, eyes, diabetes.
Yes.
uh, I have been sharing this for almost, I think, 2 to 3 years already.
Mm.
Then when his intestines need surgery, that's the only time he took 2 sets of Placenta because the eyes no vision and he looks like a monster. The doctor in the
Okay.
medical city says you need 1.5 million for the eye surgery,
Wow.
but they considered the portier first.
Mm.
Let's try.
Mm.
You know what? He's already handsome. The eyes is normal with vision. He was able to save the 1.5 million for the surgery.
Mm.